Okay, this is a close-up of how my cart is set up. I tied on the straps, and then I zip tied them to hold them in place. I did that on both sides. You'll have to excuse the traffic, I live on a busy road. I have a pin right here for releasing it. And the holes don't line up the same on both sides, so I have one dot on each on this side. On this side I have two dots. When I pull the pin out, this lifts out. Put a piece of electrical conduit inside the PVC because I wanted a tight fit all the way down in, so that gives me a little more support. I don't know if that is needed, but I chose to do that to make it stronger. So this comes off as one piece. This comes off as another piece. Then this kickstand, which is to hold it up while you're putting it on, just fits in, but I have a little piece of bungee cord on it so that I won't lose it, because I'd have to find something creative to do if I lost it. So I wanted to make sure I didn't lose it, and I curved it like this, so if I'm pulling and I happen to hit something, it's not going to catch and break it. It'll tend to deflect it and ride up over whatever it hits. Typically I put it in the back if I'm pulling in this direction. With this back here, if it does happen to catch on something, it'll probably just pull out and just drag behind me. But this is all set up. The width is to set underneath the kayak, right about under the seat. It fits between the catamaran type hull, so it sits in nice and square and doesn't twist. And it's not too wide on the wheels, so that I can put it in the hatch and store it.